Informed consents from patients/guardians are needed for any medical procedures performed. To add consent templates, go to the admin page. Click Details. Scroll down and click Consent Templates. To save a new consent, click New. Type in the title of the consent. Type in the content of the consent. Click Add to save. To check, edit or delete the consent, type in the first few characters of the title here. Select the consent to be edited/deleted from the drop-down list. Edit accordingly. Click Edit to save. To delete this consent, click Del. Close this box by clicking on the close icon. Let's see how the consent can be used in the patient page. Click Treatment. Search and select a procedure. And to save a consent, click this icon. This is the default consent. To enter your own consent as saved in the consent templates, click Templates. Select the appropriate consent here. Click Insert. Now the consent is inserted. These texts can still be edited if required. Scroll down and click Save. Note that the consent icon now is no longer semi-transparent. That's it, you're done.